Yeah, hi, good day. Black Eyed here. So this is a short video. I'm going to show you on how I'm using the ELM327 OBD2 Bluetooth adapter on my 2010 Gen 2 Toyota Vios. So pretty much what this guy do is it allows you to monitor important information from your car's ECU, to your mobile app. Let's say you want to see the voltage. Very important for this Toyota Vios is the water temperature, since it does not have a temperature gauge. It also allows you to do diagnostics. I'm not saying that this will replace the expensive OBD2 diagnostics tool, but this is quite cheap. I got it from I think Shopee or Lazada for, I don't remember. I'm using this I think 2 years 2 years already, and it works fine. Let me show you how to configure, not really configure, but install it to your vehicle. If you're going to use this on a Toyota, most OBD2 port is located just below the steering wheel on the driver's side. Let me show you what does it look like. So you see there the white port. Now this one. This is the OBD2 port. So very simple. All you have to do is plug it in. Just like so. It will light up. So after you plug in your ELM 327 device on your car's OBD2 port, it should lit up red. Red means it's still not connected by via Bluetooth to your mobile phone. So let me start my vehicle here. Let me show you. Okay, so yeah, it started already. So let me open up my I have a spare mobile phone that I'm no longer using. So here I downloaded the torque up and also the plug-in that I'm using. I'm using the racing meter. I'm going to show you. So I usually put it here. So I have a better view while driving. So let me open up the torque app. Here it is. Okay. Using the torque app alone already allows you to view the information you need, like the temperature, RPM, voltage, but the user interface is not that good. So I also purchased this racing meter.
Engine is at operating temperature.
As you've heard, the operating temperature is also been prompted. So as you can see here, the important information that I usually look at is this W80 or water temperature. This one, the normal operating temperature, usually 90 to 95. It could go up to 100. But should not me using this vehicle usually around 95, okay, degrees Fahrenheit. And of course the voltage, RPM, and also the speed. So I'm parked I cannot show you the speed, but if I press on the gas pedal, you can see the RPM will. And also it has shift light. That's other additional feature of this meter Pro. So also for the looks, it's very, I recommend this app, Torque Pro app. Just purchase the licensed one, so you don't have any advertisement, and you have all the features that you need, and allows you to install plugin just like this meter Pro. It's way better compared to the Torque Pro default interface. You have other options as well. Very nice, very useful. Okay, if you have any question, just leave your questions in the comments below, and I'll try to answer it. Thank you for watching.